Information tonight about the anonymous tipster who claimed that a juror in the Hernandez case had information that she should not have had access to. It's a complicated story. Kate Merrill's live with the latest in the Satellite Center. Kate?
Paula, it is very complicated, but the defense wanted to hear from this tipster because they wanted to get her on the record to know if a juror did in fact ignore the rules. That would mean that Hernandez didn't get a fair trial. Well, now it is the tipster herself whose motives are being called into question.
They were the calls that could derail the Hernandez verdict. A tipster called attorneys saying she worked with a juror she claimed knew things they shouldn't and heard things they shouldn't. But in this filing, prosecutors say it is the tipster they call Katie who has the secret. They say Katie does not, in fact, work with the juror as she had previously claimed. Further, the Commonwealth has also learned that Katie hasn't simply been in personal contact with the defendant. She had an ongoing sexually explicit relationship with the defendant prior to and during the trial. The tipster, they argue, is a woman who not only knows Hernandez, but is someone who has been sharing an awful lot with the former Patriot lately while he has been in prison. They say this relationship includes letters Katie sent to the defendant that were subsequently destroyed by the defendant. And they write Katie is now rooting for his release, saying it was a relationship that Katie, based on her uninformed belief in the defendant's innocence, hoped would continue after the defendant's release. And because of that, prosecutors say she is no informed tipster, rather a woman who wants to be with the convicted murderer any way she can, even if that means lying to lawyers to get him out.
I called Hernandez's attorney. I've not heard back from him yet. As for the tipster, the woman they call Katie, they have not released her real name at this point. Live in the Satellite Center tonight, Kate Merrill, WBZ News.